My name is Erica, and I used Chelsea's program to lose 50 pounds. And the weight really started for me when I was a kid. I used it as a way to cope with just feelings of inadequacy and to kind of fill a void that was there in my life. And then I lost quite a bit in high school, and I kept it off for some time, but I never really changed my relationship with food. And when my first husband was deployed to Bosnia, I remember that I would sit down and eat like an entire box of Girl Scout cookies. I felt sick all the time. I didn't know why. I found out just last year that I can't tolerate gluten, so had I known that many years ago, I think that would have helped. But then we got married and things weren't great, and he got deployed to Iraq, and that's when I basically rationalized eating for two people, because he wasn't there and he couldn't have it, and that void was so big, and there was so much emotion, and so I ate to fill that. And after my son was born, I had lost an amazing amount of weight right away, but the stress of being a new mom and my second husband and I, and just life in general was really, really difficult. And so I, again, fell back to my fail-safe of eating for the void filling and the comfort. And when I saw Chelsea talk about her program, the biggest thing that resonated with me was that it will fix your mind, because there wasn't anything wrong with my urge to eat, as far as I didn't know when I was full or things like that. I knew that. I didn't need pills, and I didn't need powders, and there wasn't anything physically wrong with me. It was mentally wrong with me. And so when I started, the first week was the hardest, I think. But after that, my self-esteem was crazy. It was so amazing. And I was not expecting to go into a program where, yes, you have rules and you're retraining your brain, but you have this sense of peace. That was the most surprising thing to me, was the sense of peace and the accomplishment, and just the way that I look at food now is so different. And I'm 37 years old, and I have never been at peace with food. I've always thought about it, and when is it coming next? And I've just obsessed about it, and I don't obsess about it anymore. I'm free, and that, I get a little emotional talking about it, because that is the best thing that I could have ever had in my life, is I'm free. I'm free to be the person that I want to be, and the person that I know I can be. It doesn't have to be food, and things are okay, and I'm so grateful to Chelsea for giving that to me. So thank you, Chelsea.